Business partners like Premium Motors in Villa Park. Premium Motors has served the greater Chicagoland area for more than 20 years, specializing in the sale of pre-owned cars, trucks, vans, and SUVs. Trade-ins are welcome. They also buy cars with appraisals and payments done on look. You can find more information about Premium Motors financing options and inventory of vehicles at motorsinc.com or by calling 630-359-4960.
Those who sow in righteousness, a reward.
Faithful stewardship can produce a lasting kingdom impact. If you're age 70 and a half or older and have a traditional IRA, consider a qualified charitable distribution or QCD. Give directly from your IRA to support Moody's ministry, potentially reduce taxable income, and satisfy your minimum distribution. Learn more at moodylegacy.org/QCD. moodylegacy.org/QCD.
From Highland Park to Highland, Indiana, we're the radio station that encourages you, equips you, and challenges you to live out your faith. We're 90.1 FM, Moody Radio.
Download the Radio Moody app. It's your go-to resource for the latest hit Christian artists. Whether you're bilingual or an English speaker who loves Spanish music, the Radio Moody app is for you. Just go to the App Store and search for Radio Moody. It's free. It's the Radio Moody app.
Hey, I'm Allie from Carlin Crew. Get your weekend off to a great start. Listen to Living by Faith Saturday mornings at 9 Eastern, 8 Central, right here on Moody Radio.
This radio station has been a vital part of Chicago for 100 years. It's a privilege to always provide what you need to hear right when you need to hear it. We are 90.1 WMBI FM at HD1 Chicago, WHRD Freeport.
4.1 Des Moines and everywhere.
Selection of you, mister. That is to fulfill
Coming up.
purposes in history. In other words, destiny.
Dr. Tony Evans says destiny begins with leading your family to your faith.
You said you wanted to be the man. Man up.